How to move models from Sketchfab to Blender. First things first is access or open up any preferred web browser that you want to use for downloading a model from Sketchfab. Now for you to be able to get here, just simply create a new tab from your browser and just simply type in Sketchfab. You'll now then be able to see the first result, which will actually take you out to the main website of Sketchfab, which is actually this one. Now in here, for you to be able to download free models or 3Ds on Sketchfab, all you have to do is to navigate your mouse to Explore, and then you'll have to go ahead and click on Downloadable. Now these are all the files that you can go ahead and download for free. So say for example, let's choose this one right here. Now click on a specific model you'd like to download. Now for you to be able to download this model right here, all you have to do is just to locate that specific model you want. You can change also the color of the model that you'd like. And on this part right here that is stating download 3D model, just simply click on that and you will be redirected to download page. So for you to be able to download this model, all you have to do is to log into an account. So this is actually free. So once you have downloaded this model, all I have to do next is access your Blender application or software, add that specific file from Sketchfab, the downloadable file, and then just simply drag it to your Blender software. So that's how easy and quick you can move a model from Sketchfab to Blender.